Good morning students. Today we are learn our 12th GK chapter of class 5th, that is festivals around the world. Okay. So our question is, read the given descriptions and identify the festivals by writing the correct letters in the given boxes. Read the given descriptions and identify the festival by writing the correct letter given in the given boxes. Okay. So our festivals are Le Tomatina, next is Lantern Festival, next is Rio de Janeiro Carnivals, next is Albuquerque International Balloon Festa, next is Halloween, next is Running of the Bulls, next is Harbin Ice and Snow Festival, and next is Marden Grass. Okay, so read the descriptions. This festival is also known as All Saints if it is believed that one this day the spirits of dead walked the earth. This festival is known as All the Saints if it is believed that one this day the spirits of the dead walked the earth. To celebrate these festivals, people wear costumes of witches, vampires, skeletons, werewolves and ghosts. Okay, so the festival is Halloween. So write here E letter. Okay, then next is, this is a festival in which people throw tomatoes on each other. In these festivals, the peoples are throw tomato on each other and get involved in the tomato fight puree for entertainment purpose. Okay, so this is La Tomatina. So write here A letter. Then it is one of the biggest carnival in the world. It is the biggest carnival in the world. The parade is filled with dancers from Samba school. The parade is filled with dancers from Samba school who dance in the fancy costumes. The dances usually tell a short story. So this is Rio de Janeiro Carnival. So write here C letter. Then also called Fat Tuesday. It is also called as Fat Tuesday. It refers to the carnival celebration before the fasting and religious practice of the Lantern season. It also called Fat Tuesday. It refers to the carnival celebration before the fasting and religious practice of the Lantern season. Lent is observed by Christians who fast and give up luxuries to draw themselves near to God. Okay, so this is marsh grass. So write here marsh, H later. Okay, then it is a practice that involves running in front of bulls that have seen late loss on the town street. It is a practice that involves running in front of bulls and that have been let loose on the throne street. The bulls are usually run from the outside. The bulls are run outside the city into the bull ring. Okay, so this is running of the bulls. So write here F letter. The festival marks the final day of the traditional Chinese New Year celebration. This festival marks the final day of the traditional Chinese New Year celebration. During this festival, children solve riddles on the paper lantern. During this festival, the children solve riddles on the paper lantern. Later, they are released out into the sky, magically decorating the nights. Okay, so this is lantern festival. So write here B letter. Then this festival exhibits the most exquisite This festival exhibits the most exquisite ice and snow sculptures in the world. Every year, people build incredible things out of ice and snow, decorating them with lights and lasers. So this is Harbin Ice and Snow Festival. So write here G letter. And our last description is celebrated in October. This festival is celebrated in October. It is a yearly festival of hot air balloons and takes place in the New Mexico in USA. For 9 days, the sky is light with the vibrant hot balloons and is one of the favorite subject matter of the local artists for their paintings. So this is Albuquerque International Balloon Festa. Okay, so write here D letter. Understand, students? So in your homework, write this question in your book and notebook also. Okay.